Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. 6th class Science Fact World 1. Miss Samra here. Today we are going to start our fourth topic of first chapter, handling data, page number 9. Fourth topic, handling data, page number 9. Very often an experiment gives you lots of data. Data is very useful if you arrange and organize in the most appropriate way. The first here we are going to discuss handling data, means how to handle our data in appropriate way, how to save our data for the further needs. As we already know that we store data in our laptops, computers, just like music, videos, games, documents related to studies, etc. Okay students, we should know that what is meant by data. Scientific information, any type of information that is related to science subject or from experiment is called scientific information. Here different forms that arrange data in an appropriate way, that is tables. This is a sample of table. Bar charts, these lines are bars. Line graph, this is shown by a line on a graph. And pie chart, it is always present in a circular form or slices. Dear students, look at your book. Tables. Putting data in a table in one way of displaying information. This weather chart is a good example of table. Here, this table shows difference of temperature of all the days of a week. Means nighttime temperature on first day 2 degrees Celsius, second day 0 degrees Celsius, third day -1, fourth day 5 degrees Celsius, and so on. Amount of cloud at 11 pm, same as first day, second, third day, no one cloud. But a table containing lots of information that can be confusing and boring. So arrange data in graphs and charts. The second is bar chart. A bar chart shows the result of an experiment in a picture. In this figure, this is a bar chart, number of students and height of a student in centimeter. A group of 2 students present at different heights, 152, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158 and 162. This bar chart shows the heights of a group of students. Some test yourself questions about this topic and the answers are: page number 9, question number 1, what is data? Scientific information. Question number 2, look at the table that is present on your book. Answer A, 18 degrees C. B, day 3 at 11 pm. C, the higher the nighttime temperature, more the amount of clothes. The third form of arranging data is line graph. It is also useful because it is present in the form of picture. This graph shows how the temperature of a cup of tea changes over time. Look in the picture. At 60 degrees C, there is no change in time, but it takes 1 minute to decrease in temperature from 60 to 40, same as at 2 minutes 30 degrees C, at 3 minutes 26, at 4 minutes 22. But at 5 minutes there is no difference in temperature, the temperature becomes constant. The last and the fourth way of arranging data is pie chart. It is also present in the form of picture. It is always present in circular form or slices. These slices indicate the proportions of numerical data, means relating to numbers. This shows the proportion of students liking a season in a year. For example, 50% students like summer, 25% students like winter, 16% students like spring, and 9% students like autumn. Here are some test yourself questions and the answers are: first question, look at the line graph above. What was the temperature of the tea at the start? 60 degrees C. B, how long did it take for the temperature of tea to fall at 30 degrees C? 2 minutes. C, what was the temperature of the room where this experiment was carried? 20 degrees C, because at 20 degrees C temperatures become constant of a hot cup of tea. B. Question number 2. Look at the pie chart. Which is the most popular season of year for this group of students? Summer. What proportion of students choose spring as their favorite season? 16%. See, this data came from 40 students. How many students choose winter as their favorite season? About 10 students. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. The last topic of this chapter, doing a scientific investigation, on page 11. Doing a scientific investigation means try to find out facts, try to find out something new. Means that you want to find out the sugar dissolves more quickly in hot water than in cool water. So for this practical work we have 3 parts of investigation. First is preparation. Second is carrying out investigations. Third, review and reporting of investigations. First, preparation. Preparation is the activity or process of making something new. The 2 steps are here. First is hypothesis. You must have to use hypothesis or write hypothesis in your mind, an idea or theory that leads to further studies. For example, sugar dissolves hot water more quickly than in cooled water. And the variables are things that can change, measured. And you can only change only one variable at a time in an experiment or practical work. If you change more variables, then the test will not be fair test. On your book, you can see that first step is preparation, hypothesis. Anything that cannot be proven but you stable in your mind. Okay. Next is variable. Variables are things that change and can usually be measured or observed. If you change more than variable at same time, the test will not be fair. So variable in this investigation is, in this process or this practical work, the amount of sugar, the amount of water, the temperature of water, whether to stir the sugar in hot water or not. In this picture, you can see that a student dissolves sugar in water. For the fairness of test, use the same amount of sugar first, use the same amount of water and stir at the same speed each time. The next step is carrying out investigations. How can you run out your practical work? By using different instruments. You have to use different instruments for the accurate measurement. Measurement of distance, time, area, volume and temperature. In this investigation, you will need to measure the volume of sugar, the volume of water, the water temperature, the time taken for the sugar to dissolve. Okay, when your results arise, you have to make a stable table for the amounts or measurements. In this table, you can see that 20 centigrade of temperature will takes 80 minutes. The last step is review and reporting of investigations. Here 3 type of studies here. One is graph. You have to make graph. Third, explain your hypothesis. It means your hypothesis is right or wrong. And third, conclusion means results of investigations. After taking readings, you have to make graph that clear the results. This means that at 80%, at 80 degrees C, about 20 minutes time taken for the dissolve. The next is explaining your results or whether your hypothesis is correct or not. Hypothesis in this experiment is correct, means sugar does dissolve more quickly in hot water than in cold water. Conclusions mean results found out as a result of your investigation. Okay, now you have to use measuring cylinder for the accurate measurement of water. Dear students, it is the exercise of chapter number 1. So please tally your answer from here. Page number 14. Multiple choice question. The main 3 areas of studies in science are biology, chemistry, physics. 2. Which area of science is the study of living world around us? Biology. Third, why should we wear safety goggles during practical science lessons? To protect your eyes from damage. Fourth, which of these is the measurement of length? Centimeter. Option A. Fifth, the volume of an object can be found by multiplying its length by its width by its height. Question number 2, true false. First, chemistry is the study of physical world around us. False. As scientists get older, they no longer have to bother about working safely. False. Your senses are of no use during a scientific investigation. False. The mass of an object can be found by weighing it. True. Degree Celsius and degree centigrade are the same things. Yes, true. On page number 15, the diagram shows the 3 different measuring cylinder scales. Question 1. Mark 30 cm cube on diagram. 30 is just between the 20 and 40. Second, mark 25 cm on diagram. On diagram B, moves towards upward. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Third question, mark 48 cm cube on diagram C. Just see 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. Question number 4, complete the table. Length, instrument use, ruler, unit is meter and symbol M. Same as mass, instrument balance, unit gram, symbol G. Measurement volume, instrument measuring cylinder, unit cubic centimeter, symbol centimeter cube. Temperature, thermometer, Celsius, C. Time, stopwatch, second, symbol is S. Note these solved exercise on your books. Thank you.